Hello, welcome back to another video. Yes.
Yeah, we're playing Roblox Piggy Build mode again. And I said, what is this? Oh yeah. Is this the alternative ending?
No, it's not. I think. Wee-hee!
Yeah, enjoy the gameplay, everyone. And thanks for 14 subscribers. I appreciate it.
Thanks for 18 subs. I think. Wait, how many subs do I have? I forgot.
No.
I don't know. I haven't checked in a long time.
Oh my gosh. Speedrun again. Wait, where does the piggy spawn? I forgot. Like, which first floor? The top or bottom?
What do you mean by first floor?
Then again, what? Oh, down there, okay. I completely forgot about this map.
Me too.
Can I get small please? Oh, what stuff? Help.
Guys, speak incoming.
Okay.
This time I have the fire first finger first.
They had to sell it all because they were so poor, and clever people bought a lot of these vouchers and through that could then take over state properties.
I cannot seriously get anything.
Kill her! Kill her!
Okay, good.
Orange key.
I literally cannot get anything right now.
That's because you don't like fish. Shoot! I left the. Someone has a carrot. Yo, George, where are you?
It's already unlocked. Hey. Guys, we need the hammer. We need the hammer.
Get the hammer in the orange key door room.
It's not there.
Naplik, man! Where does the green key go? Basement 2? What? Oh.
What's this one?
Orange Keys Duster.
Nelson was popular among the people, but after a series of uncomfortable televised appearances, faith in his leadership waned.
Yay, that's
By 1999,
like 5 minutes.
Nelson, alcoholism and toll his health deteriorated.
Freedom! Let's go.
Freedom.
A new era for the oligarchs began. Born in St. Petersburg in 1950,
Finally got out. I didn't know there was Nixon in the basement.
at age 23, soon worked his way up the ranks.
Good saying that I start with Carter. Now let's go.
Wow, I'm not even walking.
He was selected as a potential successor to Yeltsin and took up a place in the administration in 1996.
So yeah,
That's it.
that was Piggy Wilhelm, the alternative ending in
Yeah.
this map. So yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and
Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.
thanks for watching, and
See you later in the next video. I don't know if there's gonna be a later in the next video.